200 calls were immediately addressed as the operation of hotline 8888 begins. Joan Nano will tell us why.
As of 11:59 last night, more than 400 calls were received by the government's hotline number 8888. Of this number, more than 200 calls were immediately processed and received corresponding response from the concerned agencies, while the rest are still being coordinated with other offices. Based on the monitoring of the Civil Service Commission, the agency that handles hotline 8888, they have received a total of 149 complaints and almost 70 calls requesting for assistance, 32 queries, and the rest were suggestions.
Sa local government units, mabagal daw yung mga proseso sa pag-issue ng mga permits and licenses. Mga around 14% dyan ng mga total calls. Meron ding mga tumawag dahil doon sa ineffectiveness naman daw ng ilang barangay officials.
Aside from the slow processing of permits, licenses, most of the complaints brought to the hotline's attention were about inefficient public officials. The local government unit offices got the highest number of complaints with 35 calls, or equivalent to 14%, followed by the Social Security System or SSS concerning slow processing of pensions and loans. The Land Transportation Office was also among the national offices being complained to the hotline because of slow processing of licenses and non-release of license card. The government again assures the public that they will immediately address all the concerns and complaints that they will receive. Aside from complaints, the government also encouraged the public to report to hotline 8888 all government agencies that they want to thank and commend because of their good services. Meanwhile, like the emergency 911, the government also warned against prank callers to hotline 8888.
There is a criminal offense involved here. In criminal offense then if prank calls will be made here.
The Commission also reminds the public that calls with hotline 8888 is free of charge using their landline number, but charges will be made if they will use their mobile phones. Meanwhile, the Department of the Interior and Local Government considers the first day operation of Emergency 911 a success. This after the emergency hotline got more than 33,000 calls on its day one, equivalent to more than 100,000% increase compared to former emergency hotline number 117. Joan Nano, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.